This is the Enchanted Empress bracelet, and recently I found that there is another tutorial by another creator that looks almost identical. It's really disheartening when you find another creator out there has taken your pattern and then made a tutorial, put it out there, and not given me any credit. And you can see the dates on the videos that I've put this out many years ago. And then this video here just came out. So other people are profiting off stealing somebody's hard work, ideas, and designs. Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet, and I like to make beading tutorials to share with all of you to recreate. For me, it's not about putting out a new video every day or every week. It's about making a design that's actually going to stand up to the test of time and be very wearable, and something that I think my viewers are going to really enjoy. And if you see creators out there that seem to be using other people's designs, leave them a comment and ask them where they get their ideas. It's unfortunate that I had to make a video like this, but some things in life are really important.